The Panther T5 Electro Steer is a revolutionary auxiliary engine steering system. The T5 Electro Steer installs in just minutes. Just 4 inches of clearance between the engines is needed for a complete turning radius. The T5 Electro Steer is available in both freshwater and saltwater versions. Both models are standard with a water-resistant motor dipped and enclosed in a rubber coating to ensure years of trouble-free use. The Electro Steer comes standard with a 24-foot wire cable and is also available with a wireless remote option. In addition, the T5 can run off the same remote in conjunction with the TrollMaster system, which controls both steering and throttle adjustments. The Panther T5 Electro Steer has changed the way I fish. I am more efficient and precise with my trolling presentations, which equates to more fish in the live well at the end of the day.